Come on, buddy, let's go. Say what's up, YouTube. You'll never want to talk. All right, man, we out this today. It's a beautiful day today. It's like probably 45 degrees. It's really nice out right now. Snow's starting to melt and everything. Papa going for a ride, right? Yeah. All right, so the car is really dirty. Literally just gave it a wash yesterday. So back to being dirty again because it actually rained yesterday. So come on, let's hop in, buddy.
Dad, your shoe got.
I know my shoes just got in the snow. It's okay. I like your boots.
But hold on.
I like your boots. Come on, you locked in, buddy? All right, we're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna talk about cars, okay? Cause everybody's going crazy about the Dodge brand. They're getting rid of the Hellcat.
This one?
No, they're not. Yeah, everybody's scared that they're getting rid of the Hellcat, Papa. So everybody been kind of like losing their mind.
But why are they scared?
They scared because they don't read, Papa. If they just read, if they read the articles, they'll know that they're not getting rid of the Hellcat. You know? Yeah, me too. If y'all click on this video, obviously, y'all want to know a little bit more about what's going on as far as Dodge, Stellantis, and Chrysler, yada yada, right? It's been about a week now since they announced that the SRT division is no longer, right? It's gone. They're not gonna have a specific SRT division. It's gone. If you thought they were gonna get rid of all Hellcats, all SRT products right at this moment, then that is incorrect. That's not what's gonna happen. To make it short and simple for y'all, right? All they did was there's some new owners called Stellantis. Chrysler FCA does not own it anymore. Stellantis now owns it. Stellantis was their own automotive group, I believe, before Chrysler, right? So all they did was take over. They got rid of the SRT team and they pretty much combined their people with the SRT people, meaning they can work on that they can work on those SRT products throughout the full lineup, meaning all cars. So everything from Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Fiat, whatever, right? All of those vehicles are going to be worked on by both Stellantis and the SRT people that were in that division. So they are now paired together, which means we should be getting some pretty dope whips really soon. When I say soon, I mean 1 to 3 years. Cars, you can't just make cars nice and fast that quick, but let me give y'all a quick pull. In eco mode too. Eco mode pull. I be forgetting to change it sometimes. I might actually put my steering wheel on. It's type cold. But if you ask me, right, what I think is about to happen with the next generation, right? This is what I think, because obviously emissions are killing Hellcats. Gas guzzling is killing just killing Hellcats, right? That part of it is just killing Hellcats and SRT products in general.
Why are you talking to?
I'm talking to YouTube.
Why?
Cause I'm doing a video. You don't want me talking? But anyway, what I think is about to happen is they're gonna do, matter of fact, let me throw out a disclaimer. I do not have any official information at all. This is all speculation just by me. So what I think that they're gonna do is they're gonna do a small block V8 like the C8 has. Maybe twin turbo. I don't think they're gonna jump right into the V6 twin turbo right away. I don't think they're gonna do that. They're gonna piss a lot of people off by jumping right into the V6. What I think is gonna happen is a small block V8, maybe some electric assist somewhere, maybe a turbo, I'm not sure. I don't think they can keep riding out with these big V8s, these big 6.4, 6.2s. I don't think they can keep riding out with that for the next 5 to 10 years. I think they're gonna have to change within the next maybe 3 to 5 years. I could be wrong. All speculation, like I said. But they gotta make these cars lighter. I think that's what Stellantis is gonna do. They're gonna make these cars lighter. We need at minimum, we need 1,000 pounds shaved off. That should be the first thing on the drawing board. 1,000 pounds gone, easy. Diet, we need a diet, baby. We need a diet. So 1,000 pounds minimum, I think, is what we need. I think that's what they should do, and I think that's what Stellantis is going to do. Shed that 1,000 pounds. If they shed 1,000 pounds, the Hellcat motor would still be crazy if we shed 1,000 pounds. I don't think anybody would be able to beat us if we shed 1,000 pounds. Like, it'll be, I mean, we're already beating like stock supercars, I mean, it's bad. Like, these cars are pretty quick for their weight. So if we shaved 1,000 pounds, this car would be a problem, bro. Challengers would be a problem. It would just, even the 6.4s, if they shaved 1,000 pounds, every car in that weight class wouldn't touch it. I mean, a lot of cars not touching it now in their weight class, but 1,000 pounds less, oh my God. No cars touching it, bro. Those cars, for that 6.4, those NA cars, those are pretty quick. Let me tell y'all, they're pretty quick. So if we could get 1,000 pounds less, man, at minimum, we'll be solid. That's a great starting point, man. Let us lose some weight. And then obviously just try to help us keep these V8s alive, because again, this is my first one. This is my first V8, and I would hate to have to go to the next generation without a V8, because it's, like I said, it's my first one. Like, I want another V8. I gotta have another one. After experiencing, you know, the Hellcat platform, going right from a Chrysler 200 to a Hellcat, a V8, bro, is just the way to go. Like, but don't get me wrong, I've never owned a V6 twin turbo car either, so who knows? I don't know, I may like a V6 twin turbo car. I've driven the RS5 and that car responds really well. I like that car. Actually, if you haven't seen that review, go watch that review. I'm gonna put the link to that video in the description right now. But who knows, man? Everybody may really love the V6 twin turbo option, but we don't know. We don't know until we get our hands on one, test drive one. We'll see what happens. But I definitely want another V8. I'm hoping they do another V8. They gotta start changing something up because of all the gas guzzling and all of the emissions. They gotta start changing something up, right? And then that'd be cool if they threw, you know, the SRT brand, and they gave a SRT model for every car too. That'd be dope too. So you know, for the people who like to be sporty and still have families, yada yada, because they do that. I don't know if y'all seen it, but that SRT Pacifica Hellcat, bro, that joint fire. And I'm telling you, I would drive that. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. No kid. I don't care if I only got one kid or not. Me and Javon in that joint going crazy in the Pacifica Hellcat. That it just looked nice all lower. I'm gonna show you a picture right here, but it just looks crazy. Like, that's something I drive, bro. I don't care. That's something I pay for. I'll drive it faithfully, and I'll be racing every soccer mom, bro. Every soccer mom could get to work. But that's what I think that's gonna happen, man. Let me know what y'all think gonna happen in the comments. Obviously, there's a lot of videos up right now about Stellantis, about SRT being done, being dead. They're not dead, y'all. They're still alive. They just paired with another group, and they're not calling the SRT. It's just the Stellantis group now. That's it. Instead of SRT, it's Stellantis. That's it. They all on one person now. And obviously, there's a bunch of engineers from this side, a bunch of engineers from the Dodge side. That's gonna just hopefully bring us something crazy to the market, because Dodge has always been on top, man. We've always known Dodge to be on top, bro. They've always had the best bang for the buck, the fastest car for your money, the most horsepower for your money, and the most comfortability for your money, honestly. And I've seen that just won all of the JDM awards and everything for most reliability. Like, you just can't get no better than that. Now you got another group of engineers coming in to add their little sauce to the mix and hopefully just make a better car. Like I said, the minimum we need, bro, is 1,000 pounds. I don't care if they kept the same body style, whatever. If they do 1,000 pounds less, we're golden. Even if, obviously, I want a body style change, but it's a game changer if we're 1,000 pounds less. It's a game changer. Nobody's gonna be able to stop us, bro. 1,000 wheel, after we start modding them again, 1,000 wheel with 1,000 less pounds, it's over. It's over. Remember, we needed 1,000 pounds to keep up with some of the super lightweight cars like the Z01. No, I'm sorry, not the Z01, but the Corvette Z06, the C8,
Daddy,
because they're just too fast.
Daddy,
Yeah.
that was the doggy.
Yeah, you seen a dog in the car? I seen him too, Papa. Yeah, we had to do 1,000 horsepower just to keep up with some of those modded lightweight cars. So if we the same weight class, it's over, bro. It's over. Let me know what y'all think, man. I don't know what's gonna happen as far as Charger and Challenger go. I definitely want a track hawk for my next car, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. But y'all already know the vibes. Me and Javon out, man. We gonna see you on the next video. Say peace, Papa. And that's it, man. We gonna see you on the next video, man. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, baby. We out.